I want to every time. I'm gonna show you. Hi cherries. Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Wait, welcome to our video. This is our first video we're doing in 2025. You know what's crazy? I don't mean to always be like this, but I have my period. I get my period at the end of the month, so my period started December 31st 2024, and let's see how long it's gonna last. My period normally lasts no more than like 6 days. Some man was like, just walking and being weird. No more than 6 days, so I'm not that long, but I know some people that last 8 days, and I'm just like, oh, I can't deal with that. So basically guys, this month is gonna be so insane, but we're going period shopping. I want to help out the girlies, get some good stuff for sale. So our budget today is $30 and less, because I normally spend money like I spent freaking today $300, and I got shoes too that I got from Dick's. Look, let me show you guys before I go inside. So I got these Adidas. I got 2 Adidas, but I don't think they're here because it's like period shopping. But look, I got these Adidas. Look at these, bro. I always waste money. So the point is, we're gonna go period shopping for under 30, let's say maximum 50 bucks. Let's say 50 bucks, under 50 bucks, okay? I'm gonna do a short too, so let's go. I got cash, I got $20 left to my name. You know, girls that work on a budget. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go get a cart and then let's go. Okay. Let's bring you guys here. Let's check out the fit. Okay, I'm mad far. I'm parked by myself and I'm doing that, but it's okay. That man in that car was fucking looking at me the whole time. He was like, he made me feel weird, but it's okay. We gotta start our shirt though. I'm telling you, 2025 be vlogging. Posting schedules is Monday and Thursday. Okay, hold on. I forgot how it is holding a camera in public. Okay guys, I'll see you guys on the aisle. But guys, if I knew this one was packed, I would have not came here. That man look familiar though. I don't know why they looking at me. Okay, now we made it down the aisle. Okay, perfect. Oh, everyone is freaking looking at me. I don't understand why everyone's looking at me, but it makes me feel cute. First thing is first, let's go check it out. I want some thin pads. I don't like the big ones. The ones that's heavy, you're doing too much. So let's see which ones are thin. No. Okay, first ones I grabbed was the Always brand. So listen, my flow is heavy, right? But I'm always like moving around. So I say get these if you're like an active person. So if you play basketball, soccer, any gymnastics, and you like pads instead of tampons, get these pads. But if you're a tampon girly, I got you right now. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, no, you guys are fine. Okay, so but if you are a tampon girly, which is not me, I'm not a tampon girly. So when I am on vacation and I got it, that's when I really use my tampons, but I don't really use it like that. Well, these are cute. What's these? Oh, these are overnight, but I never saw this brand before. Let me read it. Extra thin pads, overnight, 20 counts. Oh, it holds up to 5. I'm gonna go with Always. I mean, actually, I'm gonna buy both. This is a good brand. This is a good brand for like a relaxed type of person. So if you're a small, make sure you get the right size, because right there, I'm a kind of a small, because my hole ain't that big. You know, but if you a bigger hole, we ain't judging, baby. So you gotta get that, you know, bigger one. But this is also a good one for like if you're relaxing, not like a really sports person, if you're doing like a cartwheel or anything. But this one is alright. Get this one for these 48 small and everything. And you could do something like this. Hold on, I'll show you. Then get something like that. But like if you're not trying to do something like that, then I don't think you should get it.
Oh, you are recording.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay. That was awkward, but that's mad funny. Okay, let me show you the stuff to get when you need to be clean down here, okay? Because you be bleeding, but you need a good hygiene. Okay, let's put this here. All right, this is where I spend most of my money, and I'm gonna leave right here. If your PP is sensitive and you have a sensitive PP, get this for your cherry. That's why they call me cherry, because my thing is sensitive and I can't take a lot of stuff. So I get this. So I normally get 2. It's only 5. Their prices went out. Oh, $6.49. So these 2 we're gonna get. Next thing, if you're a girly that's outside all the time, get something like this. This is for like when you have to wipe. These are good. So when you have to wipe down here, these just bust. You take these every day. It's like 50 comes inside. I think it's two things or one. No, it's only one of 50. One tray of 50. I'm telling you, you won't get no UTIs. You won't get no cramps. You won't get nothing. I'm telling you, your thing is gonna smell good every time. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mean to hype myself up. I just came from work, so that's my hands dirty. I don't mean to hype myself up, but every freaking guy that said, you know, I'm the truth, stop playing with it. My dad told me, no guy want no girl that smell like fish down here. I'm helping you out, sis. I'm gonna show you what not to get. What not to get. If you get this, then do not get this. Do not get this. Do not get this. Do not get this. Well, for me, everyone's body is different. But for me, this shit did not work out for me. This made my pee-pee smell like me, my sister, and my mother. We all use this brand. All use this brand. Do not get this brand. This made my pee-pee stink. That made my pee-pee stink. I did not know it was no cash, bro. Whatever. Thank goodness I got Apple Pay. Skip. I never use Apple Pay like that. So let's do it. Card. Bro, I just use my card. I don't know. Someone got to teach me how to use Apple Pay. I don't know how to use that. Oh, hold on. I got to put my pin. Oh, I got to teach me how to use Apple Pay. I don't know how to use that. Oh, perfect. Got my receipt. Hold on. I had a man. His eyes want to be down. Like, not look at no one. Fuck. Oh, I thought it was raining for a second. That's just me. My boyfriend can't look at no girl. He gotta be looking at me. But I don't got no man, so that's not my problem. Bye guys, period shopping. See you guys next time in my next vlog. Bye.